welcome to a new video. I'm currently packing for gin weekend. It's only Wednesday, but I'm already going to Amsterdam tomorrow for work, and then I'll be there up until Monday, and that's Changmin's birthday. So I have all my freebies in here. This is what I ended up making. The catch of the day. So those are in there, plus my clothing. And because it's gonna be Changmin's birthday, I got loads of Tueki stuff with me. And I was picking Liebit's outfit. After this Amsterdam trip, Blackpink is coming up soon, and I think I'm gonna do this pink outfit. And I have two of these little bows for on his ears. And then this is for my little Liebit for when we go to London. But I thought maybe for Jin, just this outfit, or maybe the blue hoodie because of, like, you know, super tuna. Here's my little BTS binder. I also got rid of my nails, don't mind them, but I just put oil on them because they always feel kind of damaged after I had them done. But I just got some of my Jin photo cards out to bring with me. So I got my mini Dweki, and then I got this one. This one's fake, by the way. Then I thought this photo card would be cute. For Jin, I got this one, but there's like 3 more photo cards in here that I also like. So cute! And then I have some Jin stuff for photos and for on my own bag. I also need to bring work stuff because I have work tomorrow, and I booked an extra night because I was supposed to go on Friday till Monday, but then I was like, I have to be in Amsterdam tomorrow anyway. So I booked an extra night, and yeah, so now I'm kind of like stress packing. Let's finish up. I have literally just arrived in Amsterdam. It's 9:30. I have a working day for one of my clients, and they have an office here, so that's where I'm going to. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm here until Monday. Tonight Felice is going to sleep here with me. It's so cute. She has work in Amsterdam as well, and tomorrow as well. So I asked her if she wanted to go get dinner, and then she was like, I can also like stay with you in the hotel because I have work tomorrow. So now we have a little sleepover. It's literally the same room as always, with a little desk area. I got all my work stuff in here. It was the only bag I had with me. I literally had to dump all my freebies out for a second. Let's go to work. Good morning. Felice already left for work, and I've just been chilling in the room. She left really early. It's almost 10 now. 20 but cloudy. It looks so sunny. But anyway, not the distraction. Felice already left at like 7 something. But this is like Amsterdam South, so this is where all the big like buildings are for, you know, like businesses. So it's really busy here in the morning. So I was just waiting for an in-between breakfast and lunchtime for me to go and have some breakfast outside. Oh, and I got this Twice album yesterday. I didn't film much yesterday because I was just like hanging out with Felice. We went to Dumpling Bros. It was really yummy. We then went to Weapons, the new horror movie. This case or something. Okay. But yeah, we went to Weapons. It was a good movie. It wasn't really scary, to be honest. I kept seeing videos like, oh, most disturbing horror movie of the year, but that wasn't like the story, like the synopsis was very nice, but it wasn't super scary. But yeah, it was a nice movie. I got this little thing from Amazon and I can just slide it on here and then it's stable. The fourth full album, Twice. They had different versions, but I was like quickly looking up on TikTok some unboxings to see which one I liked best, and I went with this one. Let's instantly open this. You look first. I got my bias. No. Is there everyone or what is happening? Yeah, I think so, yeah. The paper smells nice. Oh my god, wait, what is this? I think you can like bend this? No, I don't know. Oh yeah, I think so. I think you're supposed to bend, you get this over here. And then, oh my god, this feels illegal. And then she pops out. Oh my god, wait. And then if I would like put it all together. Oh my god, that's so funny. What is all this? I love girl group albums. Okay. Oh, they're all sticking together a bit. Wait, let me. Yeah, so these all have like green. These all have like a green outline. This is so cute. Oh my god, I love the fit. Love, love, love. Oh my god, iconic. Her hair is so gorgeous. Slade. Period. Oh my god, love. Cute. Then the group photo. Okay, so you're gonna look first. Oh my god, period! Okay, 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 okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, slay. Look at the hearts on the tie. It's so cute. Oh my god, the nails in combination with the shirt. Yes. Yes. Oh my god, in the fit that I like so much. Oh my god, love. Oh my god, this is such a summery pick all of a sudden. I'm confused. Like, these three are all like in suits, fitting the concept. And then these are so different. Or am I crazy? This is for always. I went to Velvet, which is like a record store here that it's not like exclusively K-pop. They just have like a K-pop corner. It's not even that big. So pretty. These photos are so cool. I really hope that they're gonna announce a Europe leg of their tour because they're touring, right? Sana's hair is so pretty. Oh my god, look at the dog. Oh, imagine like that this is your dog or you are the dog and you're literally in like a freaking Twice album. Oh my god. I need to go get ready now. I think I'm gonna go for breakfast just like this. To like freshly roll out of bed, washing my face, basically me every day. But I'm seeing Tufan later today. We're having a cute roomie date. It's always weird to say ex-roomie, even though we haven't lived together for a long time, for over a year. But I haven't seen her in over a year either, so it's gonna be fun. And we're gonna go to one of my favorite restaurants, so I'm very excited. And then we're going to Freakier Friday. I'm so hyped for that. Oh, I just love going to the movies. Not me going to the movies every single day. It's now 10. I've just finished doing some work and I think I'm going to take a nap. Okay, so it's an hour later and I just took like a mini nap, but now it feels like it's evening, but it's only like I didn't even nap for an hour. It was like 45 minutes, so that feels kind of crazy. Like it feels like the day has been going on for so long. Oh my god. But yeah, it's only 2:30 and I'm gonna go now to meet Tufan at the restaurant. I'm so excited. Yeah. Oh, she's eating. She ate. Literally. Okay. Cute.